my name is Melissa Wolford, and we're here today at the Unknown Conference as part of London Festival of Architecture. I'm working on the project with Melodie Leung from Zaha Hadid Architects. We're very excited to have a wonderful panel of speakers today as part of the workshop, with Anna Beata Hoving speaking about cathedral thinking, and then also further on today with many different speakers and 3 different panel discussions talking about strategies in the built environment. So alongside the conference today, we also have the pavilion outside on Granary Square, which is looking absolutely wonderful in its fluorescent colors, by Christina and Efren from Ahmed Sero 9. And apart from these 2 wonderful projects, it's going to be a fantastic London Festival of Architecture this year, and we're very excited to be part of it.
It's the 3rd installment now, 3rd year that we're organizing this conference, and we found that it's increasingly valuable to organize a chance to step away from the day-to-day and create a space for exploring some of these ideas that are sometimes intimately personal, sometimes very, very vast and cosmic, but how all of these concepts really influence the way and how we shape the built environment. We're really excited about what we're going to see and hear this afternoon. I have no idea where the conversations are going to end up, and that's really one of the biggest reasons why we do this, so that it's an ongoing process of discovery for all of us.
So today we're going to talk about the notion of collaboration.
So at the start of each of their projects, they would get all the members of their teams, that's including clients, builders, stakeholders, etc.
I'm hopeful that we can make progress in these areas and make sure that productive collaborations are never missed again.
I collaborate with architects, I collaborate with engineers, with families, people at the end, really.
Normally, I do not work with actors if I work with photo or sound works, but rather family, friends and neighbors and their personality. And they have a history, they have a story. We'll come back to that later.
Stephen Hawking taught me about cathedral thinking, and Future Library is a cathedral thinking project.
And so I feel particularly excited to be talking about drawing, because I think drawing is one of those practices that is inherently open-ended.
I suppose I'm interested in drawing, as Vicky said, I run Liquid Factory, which is a kind of more of an art practice, and Unknown Fields, which is a kind of travelling design studio.
So the last bit I want to end with is a current project we're working on Gaza, where Gaza is a city that has completely collapsed and has been destroyed. And one of the key issues is, how do we draw a landscape that has been completely erased?
So the viewer first perceive the installation as a flat image, but as they walk closer to the piece, they kind of see this 3-dimensional quality.
There are like 3 elements that are not following that pattern, that construct with the geometrically based elements, that are simply circles, and everything started with the fact that because the circle of the bottom part of the pavilion is inclined, we couldn't have a kind of normal, usual hinged door, a pivotating one. So we decided, well, let's do a circular one that can be rotating, just hold on the main structure.